Hi everyone, today I'm just posting a quick video and I'm sharing with you the intro section to my new class, How to Start a Nature Sketchbook. This is about a 1 hour class. It has 11 different lessons in it right now, though I do plan to add more as time goes by. And it just gives you an introduction of how to start a simple nature sketchbook that you can even make the sketchbook yourself so you don't have to worry about wrecking it or wasting paper. And then an introduction to finding reference material, creating very simple drawings, and adding ink and basic watercolor washes to it. So something that's really great if you are a beginner and want to get into watercolor painting, or you are advanced but you want to simplify things so that you can make quick studies and do quick little nature notes that don't take too long to complete. So I hope you enjoy this introduction, and if you are interested in taking the entire class, then you can click in the link in the video description, and the class is $65 for lifetime access, and it's a great help to supporting my channel. Welcome to How to Start a Nature Sketchbook. In this class, you are going to learn everything you need to know to create sketchbook pages inspired by your outings in nature. I'm going to show you simple ways that you can take your inspiration and put it down on paper with watercolor and ink. This class is designed for beginners and will inspire you to create your own nature sketchbook. You can use the skills you learn to create a sketchbook page from somewhere you go on a hike or even just out in your backyard. Using a few simple tools, you can document the beautiful things you find in nature. This is a great way to get started with watercolor painting, even if you don't have a lot of time. These projects are designed to be done in short sittings. The projects in this class will not take hours to complete. I start all of my sketchbook pages with a pencil drawing. Once my drawing is complete, I'll often take it back to the studio to add ink and watercolor paint. If you're not able to draw outside, you can also just use a reference photo. When I work in my nature sketchbook, I don't focus on getting everything perfect. I'm more interested in getting things down on paper. I'll show you what types of brushes and paint I use, and also how to mix your colors for your botanical subjects. In this class, I'll be teaching you how to create illustrations with waterproof ink and watercolor paint, just using simple washes. This is a really great way to get started with watercolor botanicals if you feel intimidated about becoming a botanical painter. Let's get started and learn some simple techniques to start a nature sketchbook.